Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Dell WD19 dock blinks 3 times. Power and connection troubleshooting. Fix 1 is check the AC power adapter. Disconnect the dock from your laptop, then make sure you are using the original Dell power adapter. Then verify the adapter is firmly connected to both the dock and the wall outlet. If available, try another compatible Dell power adapter. Second one is perform a power reset. Unplug the power adapter from the dock, then disconnect all USB devices, monitor, Ethernet cables and the USB-C cable from your laptop. Then wait for 30 to 60 seconds. Reconnect the power adapter first, then connect the dock at the laptop and check if the blinking stops. Third one is reconnect the USB-C cable. Disconnect the USB-C cable from your laptop, then inspect the cable and connector for dirt or damage. Plug the cable back in firmly. If your laptop has another USB-C Thunderbolt port, try connecting to that port. Fourth one is update BIOS and dock drivers. Visit Dell support, then enter your laptop service tag or model number. Then download and install latest BIOS Thunderbolt driver, dock firmware update, cheapest driver. Restart your computer after installing the update. Fifth one is test without accessories. Disconnect all external devices from the dock, then leave only the power adapter connected. Connect the dock at your laptop, then if the dock works normally, reconnect your device one at a time to identify the faulty accessory. Thanks for watching.